By my own will, my hair was cut off. A 5-month weight loss bet with Fanny. And my hair was ruthlessly cut off. Everything was Fanny's skin. I'm so sick of being called cute Donkey Kong, ostrich egg. Can't I really lose weight?
Do you want help on your diet from beauty hackers? Hey guys, welcome back to WishTrend TV. It's Iris here and we're back with another episode of Beauty Hackers. Now before we begin, there isn't anyone who hasn't watched her latest video on DIY hacks for stinky odor, right? If you haven't seen it, check it out right now. Today, we're going to be sharing healthy diet hacks. We have a diet meal prep hack in store for you guys, and we also have a giveaway, so make sure you're tuned in till the end of the video. Carb intake amount for dieting. The first step of dieting is cutting down on the carbs. If you need to diet, it's important to cut down half of the amount of carbs you usually eat. Why? Because of ketosis. What's ketosis, you ask? Ketosis is when the body uses fat as its main source of energy. You can increase your intake on fats over carbohydrates, and you can use the fat stored in your liver as your main fuel. After learning about the combustion speed of carbohydrates and fats, you can more clearly understand why it's effective in weight loss. Carbohydrates burn at a rapid rate as soon as it's absorbed in the body. On the other hand, fat and protein burn slowly over time. It's difficult reducing the amount of carbohydrates you eat at first, but once you adjust, you're gonna feel full and energetic with just a small amount of food. There's one thing you gotta be careful about. Extreme low carbohydrate diets are prohibited if you have liver, gallbladder, kidney, pancreas, and other issues or type 1 diabetes.
키토시스?
That's why I'm here with a solution to reduce your weight and your daily spending on food. Hack number 1, meat patty. We're going to be making 5 meal preps with the same 5 ingredients. It's fast and easy and anyone can make it if they have a microwave, so make sure you follow along. Our main ingredients are cabbage, ground beef, eggs, tofu, cherry tomatoes, and barley rice. You can also add your favorite vegetables to the mix if you'd like. Firstly, we're gonna make the meat patty. Ingredients: diced cabbage, ground beef, 1 egg, half a block of tofu, enoki mushrooms, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper. Firstly, mix finely chopped cabbage, enoki mushrooms, ground beef, egg, garlic, and tofu in a large bowl. Season with salt and pepper. Take the mixture and create small patties. Place patties in a bowl and saran wrap them. Use a fork to poke holes in the wrap and microwave for 5 minutes. You can also cook it on a fry pan on low heat with 1 spoon of oil. This tastes much better when it's cooked in the microwave. We're going to be making meal preps with the patties we made earlier. 3 patties, 1 slice of cheese, 5 cherry tomatoes, and uncooked cabbage. For those of you guys who's wondering if cheese is alright for your diet, if you're cutting down on your carbs, this slice of cheese is going to help you. There's a traditional dish in Korea called 동그랑땡, and it tastes exactly like that. Hack number 2, low-carb bibimbap. This recipe is for those of you wish-trenders who can't live without rice. Low-carb bibimbap. Mince up 3 of your favorite vegetables. If it's a hassle to mince them, then just cut them up before you eat them. Add 2 patties, minced vegetables, seaweed to half a cup of barley rice. This will be easier for those of you guys who don't want to eat your veggies. Clearly this isn't 2 patties, but we made small patties, so we're going to use about this much. But for you guys, if you guys are using cushion size, use 2. So for this, I'm gonna go like that, take these out, and just dump it in there. Woo! And the patties. Ooh. And mix it all up. Not bad. Hack number 3, steamed cabbage rolls. We're gonna make another recipe with the patties we made earlier. Ingredients: pre-made patties, 5 cabbage leaves, and water. Firstly, add the cabbage to a bowl and saran wrap them after wetting each leaf with water, and then microwave for 5 minutes. Next, remove the leaves core so it's easier to wrap. Add the patty mixture to the steamed cabbage and roll it up. After wrapping it, microwave for 8 minutes. Poke holes in the wrap and allow the heat to travel over the ingredients. Cabbage can help you stay healthy and prevent cancer, promote blood circulation, detoxify the body, and also improve constipation. And also, cabbage rolls will be easier to eat. Taste very interesting. Wait! If you want to attend our giveaway, don't leave yet! Tune in till the end of the video. Hack number 4, steamed eggs with tofu. We upgraded steamed eggs, which is a meal that's fast and easy and high in protein, and a meal eaten in Korea. Ingredients: 1 block of tofu, 1 egg, scallions, 1/5 of a carrot. Mince the scallions and carrot. And then wrap the tofu in cloth and remove the water. Mix the drained tofu, scallions, egg, and carrot. Add the ingredients in a microwave and organize it so everything's flat. Cover with saran wrap and microwave it to 4 to 5 minutes after poking holes in the wrap. Place a cutting board on top and flip to remove the steamed eggs. Slice in bite-sized pieces and you're done. Tofu and eggs are foods that are loved for diets. Eating tofu will make you feel full for a long time, and it's also made of protein, so it's going to prevent your fat from accumulating in your body. The visuals for this one actually looks like real food, not diet food. It's so pretty. It looks the same as normal egg recipes. It tastes organic and very natural. Healthy. It tastes healthy. Hack number 5, tomato soup. Let's meal prep with tomatoes, one of the top 10 superfoods. Ingredients: 10 cherry tomatoes, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil, water, salt, and pepper. Firstly, after washing the cherry tomatoes, cut them in half. Add the cherry tomatoes and garlic to a microwave-safe bowl. Add 2 turns of olive oil, 4 spoonfuls of water. Add salt and pepper. Crack in an egg. To prevent the egg from exploding, pop the egg yolk before microwaving. How long you cook it will depend on your preference, but 3 minutes and 30 seconds should be enough. Potassium in tomatoes help prevent high blood pressure by releasing your salt in your body. And the lycopene and fat-soluble vitamins have a higher absorption rate if they're cooked in oil. And that is why tomato soup is a good food that helps release your salt from your body and absorb the good ingredients. And this is the tomato soup. I can already smell the garlic. Grab the tomato. This is my favorite. It's really, really good. This is the end of our video. What did you think? Try following along our diet meal prep hacks. Now here's how to enter our giveaway. First, answer our poll on Instagram story at WishChanTV. Second, Upload a picture or video of you eating the meal prep food and tag WishChanTV and hashtag meal prep challenge. We will have details in the description box below, and if the giveaway is popular, we're gonna be back with another one. Next, we'll be back with WishChander We Got You, so make sure you join the live and chatter away with us. We'll share more details in our community tab, but now it's time for me to leave. I'll be back next time with another episode of Beauty Hackers and more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are beautiful just as you are.